You know in Siri how you can go in and change Siri's voice? You can make it a British aristocrat, or you can make it an Australian, or you can make it more of a commoner country bumpkin type of thing. I don't even know what all the voices are with Siri, but the point is you can change that voice, and you can change it up here too. I've heard this before, this voice inside that has kind of a running narration on your life. It's not always your best friend, not even always someone you would ever want to hang out with. Reshape, redirect, reframe that voice to a more kinder, more uplifting thing. I've made it to Dry Creek Falls. You may have seen me here before, but this is maybe my last time because this is my final week on the Columbia River. Damn, I've done it now. I'm just on this little like corner of like a rock convergence that was like, I was climbing it and I got to the top, looked over, it was like the steepest, like being on a rooftop, like a really steep Victorian style, and just like looking down and the cliff just This is why you can go more than one time to some of these amazing spots, because you can find new things all the time. I don't think anyone climbs this high. I just want to capture this because it is trippy, and I'm like, like my heights thing kicks in and I start to shake a little bit, and then my mind overpowers that and says stay calm, because the more you panic, the less mentally capable you are. By the way, this is why I'm alive. I call this soul food. Just moments like this that inspire me and carry me through my day-to-day. Getting to witness such a stunning nature spot like Dry Creek, it makes me feel inspired, like I can get a better life for myself.